Training analysis, stock reserve, packing list section. We can see the stock ready to be shipped into report in product by customer, just stock reserve. You can also select a single product and ask the summary of inventory for stock reserve. To create packing lists into packing lists, you have analysis function, analysis what's to be delivered. The analysis function automates the purchasing, production, and delivery and exists into packing list. The analysis can include information coming from customer order or from product and product inventory, or can be done for a single customer. We will do an analysis for a specific shipping date. We have 3 customers. We can see the detail. If we select the customer, we can see that there's 1 order incomplete and 1 item cannot be picked at this time. This item is in a bin, not pickable bin. If we take a look to the blue, we can see stock reserve. This item is into the sample bin. If we take a look to the sample bin into warehouse, we can see that this bin is not pickable. Obviously, we can print packing list. And we had a bunch of options to help the readability of the packing list for picking